Assalamualaikum dear viewers, today's reading is about this is the zodiac sign Capricorn, and the question is what is going to happen with my dear Capricorn in the month of September 2020. I'm directly going towards your reading and I'm going to shuffle your cards. Okay, my dear Capricorns, your first card is the Chariot card, and this is in the reverse position. That means that you are not going to change your something over here. You want to change something, you want to move towards something, you want to travel, but there is no opportunity to do it in this month. You can't change something over here. Then you have the Emperor card upside down. That means that maybe you are overly thinking about something, you are attracted to something sexually, and you want that person, and you are not thinking about the ups and downs, or the what will happen to you if you are going to do this thing, but you are going to do over here something, and maybe you are doing something over here that is not good for you, and you are doing it, you are making some decision with anger, with aggressiveness. Okay, you are not thinking about it, but just you want to take some revenge from someone. Okay, you are doing this to have a revenge from someone, and you are not thinking about it, you are not having any clarity about it, what will happen next to you if you have done this to them. Okay, the Knight of Swords, because you are now no longer want to have any relationship with that person or any partnership with that person, and you want to leave that person. Definitely you are moving away from that person due to this decision, due to this uh, situation. You are moving away from that person, you want to move away from that person. I think you are not going towards that person, you are moving away from that person. Okay, 10 of Swords, and this is upside down. Maybe they had betrayed you in the past, and now you want to move from that person. You don't want to live with that person anymore, because you know that this person is not good for you. They are a cheater. Queen of Pentacles, definitely this is your card and this is upside down. You think that you have no responsibility towards that person. You are not attracted towards that person. You don't want to care about them. You don't want to love them. Okay, you are not thinking about that person. Rather, you are holding that person in your hands, but you don't want to take care about that person. Or maybe this is vice versa, that person is don't want to care about you, they are fed up from this situation. Okay, Page of Cups, and this is upside down. This is the childlike energy, and I think when you make the decision to love that person, to marry that person, you don't know how which type of person this person is. Okay, and now you think that this is your greatest fault, your greatest mistake to marry that person. Maybe someone is begging you to don't harm them, don't do anything bad, and you are not listening to them. Yes, I am getting this. Okay, with this Eight of Pentacles upside down, you want to break your own home, you want to destroy this home. You are making this home by this card in the right position, and now this is upside down. Now you want to break your home, you want to break what you build over here. Uh, Hard work, you want to lose your hard work. You have done a lot of work over here and you want to lose it. Maybe you have done a lot of work to have some money, to making money, and now you are giving up, and you don't want to pay more attention to that situation. Okay, and you are very aggressive to do it, you are very determined to do it. You are not changing your mind over here. This is the number one. This is the leadership number. You want to others to listen to you, to do as you want them to do, to rule them. Okay, and they maybe they are not doing this, and that's why you are leaving them over here. You are not any more attracted towards that person. And magician card. Yes. At this moment you are alone. You are alone in your time, in your thoughts. You can't have you don't have any friend in this situation. You are alone. You want some clarity over here. You want to have a way towards happiness, towards your fulfillment, towards your peace. Okay, and you are searching the way towards it. If you are a struggler and you want to make some money, then it is also for you. And you definitely you are getting out of this situation, this stress situation, this burdenful situation. This is the sign over here, and the sun is coming for you, and you are getting out of this situation, and you are holding something over here. You are saving something, protecting something over here, and you are protecting it from your enemies, and you are uh, going away from your bad times. But you are protecting over here. It's something over here. Okay, Seven of Cups. You have a lot of desires to do something, or maybe you have a lot of desires to fulfill, and you don't have any opportunity to do it in this month, and you are very burdened because of this. Maybe you want to make money, maybe you want to have a lot of love in your life, and that you are not getting it, and now you are very stressful over this situation, to have some money, to have someone to tell that you can share your thoughts. And definitely thanks God that you have sun card. You are definitely going to have these all happiness, these all fulfillment, abundance, family, happy family life, all with these cards, this card. And you are definitely going to win what you want to have. You going to win others hurt. You're going to win the money. Okay, you are going to make the money, whatever you want in your life in this time period. You are going to have this all things in this month of September. Okay, and first you are stuck over here with this card upside down. You're stuck over here. You are not able to do anything over here. But with the passage of time, with your hard work, you are going to have a lot of happy things. After that stressness, after that burden, you are going to have this sun card. You are having something with a hard work, with a lot of struggle. Okay, and you are going to make a happy home life, a happy life, victory for you. Now I am going to have some more cards for you. Okay, you have the card of out trip or treat. We are here. There is the help from universe, from Allah, from higher self, that is coming for you. This is your help, that you are going to have happiness in your life. Okay, and this is from universe. This is from Allah. Okay, thank Allah a lot. Pray a lot. Okay, my dear Capricorn, getting to know each other. As you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your bond deepens, and you are not going to do this because you are very stubborn. You are a goat like sorry, but this is about your star. You are very stubborn, and you had made your mind to not go towards that person. You are moving away from that person, and that's why you are not going to know what they want to do, and you are not retreating towards that person. You are very stubborn, you are very determined. Separation, this situation needs you to separate you both. This is not good. Wedding, once again you are going to marry someone someone else from that person. Maybe this also is a situation that I'm seeing with these cards. And when you have the wedding with this another person, your life is going to change. You have sun card, you have victory, you are going to win in this situation. Let go of control of issues, allow the situation to unfold naturally. And okay, don't do anything. Don't tell them that you want to leave them, or don't fight with them. Let this situation unfold naturally. Okay, let this happen as it on its own. Okay, don't do don't do anything by yourself. Okay, this will happen uh, at the right time, on its own self. Okay, I want to have one more card for you. Now you have the children card over here. Maybe you have the children with that past person, and you are not able to leave that person, or maybe some issue because of children, or you are going to have the children with that next person. And uh, something is here because of children. Spirits, you have to join to your spirits. You have to connect to your spirits, and pay a lot, uh, spend a lot, alone time. Okay, take some time for your own self. Pray at this moment, and trying to clear your energy from heartache, from stress, from quarrel, thinking about some quarrel, some fight. Okay, and be a pure person. You will surely get some help from uh, from Allah, from angels. Okay, and this is all for you, for my dear Capricorn, in the for the month of September 2020. Please like, share, subscribe my readings. When you watch it, it will make me happy. I mean, lots of love and lots of good wishes. Bye. We will see each other again.